children. Let me tell you a special secret, a heavenly secret, to make your day the best of days, to make your day magical. All you need to do is say Bismillah Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. In the morning when we wake, Bismillah, Bismillah, and every step we take, Bismillah, Bismillah. Bismillah Rahman Rahim, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. The sun shines up high, it is a new day. You're starting it with thanking Him in your way. As we wash our face,